YouTube, Scott Lett here, owner of Iron City Power Washing. We're out here at Vestavia Hills High School where I went to high school. This is one of our big school accounts. We got about a $30,000 project we're doing here. We're pretty much cleaning the football stadium, the entire baseball stadium, at a bunch of areas throughout the school. Anyways, wanted to show you our new rig. So we just bought a new F350 V10 Super Duty. It's got a 13-foot bed on it. Just built it out. Due to the large commercial jobs we were getting, we needed something that could carry more water and chemical. So here it is. Let my tank fill up. That's a 525-gallon tank. Got two hose reels here. This is for garden hoses. That's high pressure. This is an 8-gallon per minute machine. Obviously the large water tank here. This is going to be our SH tank for downstreaming. Got this little 1/2-inch valve here to fill up pump sprayers, X-Jet buckets. Out of this little blue box here for my pump sprayers. I like the 525-gallon tank because we can feed two machines at the same time. So this is a 5.5-gallon if we have two people working at the same time. This is our 12 volt hose reel. That's one thing that I still have to do is put a 12 volt system on here. This is the Mini Mondo's spot there. Just got it strapped to the tank. Got plenty of lockers here for storage. Got a hitch. Super clean on the inside. So anyways, wanted to show you guys the new rig we got here. Very proud of it. It's a 2003, I believe. So, but we're replacing our F-150 with this truck. The F-150 served its time. We just need something bigger that can carry more water and chemicals for us, because that's what we need when we're doing jobs like this. So we'll be here for probably the next 2 or 3 weeks. We're gonna be trying to implement some residential work in the mix. But for today, I'm gonna be cleaning this area here. We cleaned all this about 2.5, 3 years ago. But as you can tell, it needs to be cleaned again. This area stays in the shade, so that's why it accumulates mold very quickly. So we'll get all this cleaned up nicely. And my business partner and our lead tech, they're at a residential job right down the road. I mean, it's literally like over those trees right there. So they're really close to me. Then they're gonna come over here and link up and help us out. We weren't supposed to start this job until mid next week, but we finished a large retirement community ahead of schedule. So just went ahead and got a jump on this. So anyways, I'm about to crank up. I'm gonna grab the Mini Mondo. I'm gonna surface clean all this first. Probably gonna pump spray that wall since it's kind of falling apart there. I don't have a 12 volt set up yet, so I'm gonna have to pump spray. I've ordered 2 Everflow 5.5-gallon pumps to put on there. Pretty excited about that. So anyways, let's get started.